Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. This is the next episode of my Voodoo's VR mod series, and where I, for example, mod some controllers or headsets. And this time I have a cool mod for the index controllers. This is a bumper and trigger protection for the index controllers, and I will show this in this video. Let's first jump on to the Thingiverse page and check out the 3D printer file, and after that I will show you that in detail. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Virtual Escape, Slim Beats and JN Design Media. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay, let's check out the page first on Thingiverse. So this is this one here by the user it is Lido. And yeah, here's the file that you can download to print it in your 3D printer. And yeah, here are the print settings. He used supports, of course, because the printer cannot print into the air. Resolution 0.2 PLA material, and here's notes how to print that, in which position, at a scale of 100%. I also printed it at 100% and it was no problem. I could click it pretty easy on the index controllers, and yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, I would say let's have a look at the thing. Okay guys, and now you've seen the 3D printer page, and now here's the result. So it's pretty easy to put that on the index controllers. Here you just click it there, and then you see it's protected here at the front. Yeah, so if you hit the wall here at the front or something else, it's protected. Yeah, and here you see the ring around the trigger. Also the holes for the tracking. The tracking works without any problems. And then you can just wear it, and you hear the trigger, it still works. And now if you hit the wall like here, then it's not a problem. Yeah, it's just hits the plastic and not the index controllers. Even if you hold it like this for Beat Saber, you can hit the wall even hard, and then it hits the ring, and that's pretty cool. It's a good protection for people that are afraid to destroy their index controllers, or even if you already destroyed a pair and you don't want to repeat that, then just print that and it's really awesome. So yeah guys, that's my mod in this video. If you found a cool 3D printer mod for any VR headset or for controllers or any holders or stuff, then please write it in the comments below so that I can also print it and show it to the community. That would be really awesome. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE.